Hello and welcome. In this video, we will use Tesseract OCR to build an application that will extract text from an image. What is Tesseract? Tesseract is an optical character recognition engine for various operating systems. It is free software released under Apache license, originally developed by Hewlett-Packard as proprietary software in 1980s. It was released as open source in 2005 and development was sponsored by Google in 2006. So how does it work? First step is segmentation or page layout analysis. Tesseract identifies blocks of text including paragraphs, lines, words, individual characters. Next step, feature extraction and character recognition. The segmented text is broken into smaller units or characters. Each character is matched against a training dataset to predict the correct letter. Tesseract uses LSTM-based deep learning models, that is, long short-term memory networks, trained on large datasets for text recognition. It includes pre-trained language models like ENG for English or FRA for France, etc. These models recognize characters, words, and sentences from images. The last step is post-processing. Tesseract applies spell checking and dictionary-based corrections to improve text output. It may also attempt format preservation, but complex layouts like tables and columns require additional processing. I will build the application using React and Tailwind CSS. So first install React using byte. npm create byte add latest, then enter your project name, dash template React. And I will select React. Now cd into the project directory and run npm install. Now to install Tailwind CSS, run npm install Tailwind CSS, add Tailwind CSS/byte. After the installation is complete, configure the byte plugin by importing Tailwind CSS from add Tailwind CSS/byte. And then add Tailwind to the list of plugins. Then import the library in the app.css and index.css files. I will now remove all the boiler code and add a heading text extractor using OCR. Then I will install Tesseract npm install tesseract.js. In the app.js file, import Tesseract from tesseract.js. Now declare some state variables using useStateHook. const image, set image. This set will contain the image file which will be initially null. Const text, set text will contain the extracted text. Const loading, set loading will be a boolean. Now I shall create the JSX. Enter create a div and give it a class name M10, that is margin of 10, padding of 5, shadow large, shadow black with rounded corner. Then give a label with HTML for image, give styles or text large, enter the text choose image to extract text from. Then give a input field for the type file, name image, ID image, accepted image. This input tag is for uploading the file, image file. Then within braces image, and means when the image is uploaded, a button will be displayed with class name shadow large and shadow black, padding of 2 and background red, margin of 5 and text white. This button will be for choosing another file, means a new file to extract text from. Let's save it. Now create another div with style or display MD flex with 100% and MD margin of 10. After the image is chosen, a new div will be created that will display the chosen image of source and image alternate text uploaded. Give it a button. It will display loading. If loading is true, set to true, it will display processing, else it will display extract text. This button will call a function that will call the Tesseract OCR. Then create another div. Let's first give this div a class name MD with 40% or with full. Shadow large, shadow black, padding of 10, margin in the x direction of 10 with rounded edges. In the button, give it a shadow large, shadow black, padding of 2, background red, margin the y direction 5 and text white. Now in the other div, create a text. When after the Tesseract processes the image, it will set the use state for the text. When the text is there, it will display the extracted text in this div inside this text area. Now I will create a function to upload image. Cons handle image upload event. Cons file e.target.files 0. e.target.files is an array-like object containing selected files. File 0 gets the first file. Set image url.createObject URL file. url.createObject URL file generates a temporary URL for that file. This URL allows us to display the image without uploading it to a server. Cons perform OCR. This function performs OCR optical character recognition on an image. If not image, return. If no image is provided, the function returns immediately and does nothing. Set loading true. This updates the state to indicate the OCR processing has started. Tesseract recognize image, ENG. Runs OCR on the given image. ENG specifies the English language model for text recognition. Logger m console.log m logs the OCR progress to the console. Then result. Once OCR is complete, it returns a result object. If result and result.data and result.data.text. Set text result.data.text. If OCR successfully detects text, it updates the state with set text result.data.text. Else console.error. OCR result is missing text. If there is an error or if OCR is unable to extract the text, it will console log this error message. Then set loading false. Catch error. If there is an error, it will console the error and set loading to false. Now set a onChange event listener in the input field, which will call the handle image upload function. Then in the choose another button, on click, it will reload the page, window.location.reload. And for the extract text button, on click, it will call the perform OCR function. Now let us start the application. I will click on choose image, extract text, choose the file. Go to download a file called internal button, internal memo, processing, and the text is extracted in the text area. Also in the text area, add a column of 50 and row of 100. Let me try to extract from another file here. Processing. Okay, the text is extracted. I will try to improve the design a bit. So I add a class name 10, and for the extracted text, make the font size bold, and for the text area, give it a margin in the y direction of 5, and padding of 4. Save it. You see your shadow large and shadow black. It again. May increase the column to no 70 will be better. Okay, now you can just copy the extracted text from here, paste it in a Word document or text document, make some changes. Okay, thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one.